I saw it. That's according to when I talk about Borno. Because of the housing scheme that I saw in Borno, a state not as buoyant as River State. We have buoyancy in terms of allocation, we have in terms of the revenue generation. 10 times higher than Borno State. If you are entering Borno town, left and right, you will see that the areas are dotted with beautiful edifices. Left and right. And they are called housing scheme. When you come back, I don't want to use Akwa Ibom because Akwa Ibom is a model, it's a role model. In Akwa Ibom, I'm sure you know that in the whole of Uyo, you will not see pothole as little as this my finger in all their roads. All. And it's attracting businesses. People go there for seminar. People go there for all manner of things. I don't know how many potholes you have jumped coming from your home to this place. Are the roads smooth? The roads are not smooth. What the governor here is doing now is to give internal those even in the internal roads thing are not peculiar to him. It was Wike. Wike's policy was environmental, what do you call it, urban renewal. And he took projects, communities, the whole of old GRA, you agree, that the whole of new GRA, that, I mean, even major communities. You can also say, look, I majored in roads infrastructure. Whether you call it Wahed Bridge or you call it flyover, it's your own. But the man has 1, 2 to 12 to his credit. What is the governor's own? The Trans-Calabari, which of course was a baby of Wike, and he had done the first set or the first segment of that road. So we need to know what his policy. I'm talking about, I've said to you, housing. What is his policy? Do we agree that building, I'm looking for a word that I will use to qualify it, that death trap, that's unheard of buildings that you see if you take Obirikwere and you're going to the airport to your right. They are smaller than my security house. Where my security live, my security house, that building, those structures are smaller than my security house. And who will agree or not agree with me and with us that it is a land wasted? And of course you know that the government is not putting a cover. It's on equity participation. What they are donating is land. Now, if you are donating land and somebody is building, and we build and take rent for a certain number of years after he has made back his profit, shouldn't you also do what they call due diligence? By asking the person, what kind of building do you want to build? We want to erect. Knowing that it's a thoroughfare, it's an exit, it's a what is it called again? That something is an exit or inlet. Abi? Yes. Shouldn't you have said, let me see the building, and then, gentlemen, go and see. If I am governor tomorrow, I will put it on record. If I'm governor tomorrow, or by 2027, when we will produce a governor of River State that will have the mental wherewithal, the first advice I will give to him is, after he's swearing in, move equipment to that place and bring down that rubbish. I will do that. And you will see, because I know that the renewed whole family will produce the governor of River State come 2027. So There's nothing to worry about on that one. So those buildings that you have seen is like the Pharaoh and the Egypt you were. You will see them no more.